Huawei are renowned for the technological advances and innovations in the field of health and fitness monitoring, and they've run to the party with the GT Runner, a scientific smartwatch built for beginner to professional runners with an incredible battery life of up to 2 weeks. Huawei have created a scientific running program called Truesport, in which your smartwatch can give beginner runners data and suggestions for improving or advancing their run. Or for the more advanced runners, the tech can give you running ability evaluation, fitness and fatigue status updates, plus long-term training performance analysis. You don't need to worry about being weighed down with this watch, as it's a mere 38.5 grams and designed for speed with a durable polymer fiber case with ceramic finish, an aircraft-grade titanium alloy crown, and features a hollowed-out lug build, which makes it more breathable and comfortable for all-day wear. The GT Runner's GPS performance has also been boosted with a dual-band 5-system GNSS and a groundbreaking floating antenna design separate from the watch body, which significantly reduces weight and interference while providing improved connectivity, increased signal strength, and more accurate positioning. Plus, calls can conveniently be taken directly from the watch when it's paired with a smartphone via Bluetooth. The GT Runner also gives you your own personal AI coach, which analyzes and aggregates weekly running data and tailors upcoming sessions according to performance and fatigue levels. There's also a handy running index that tabulates your current levels so you can tweak schedules, set new goals, and properly balance rest and recovery. A new hardware upgrade provides improved heart rate monitoring, even for hard interval training, with reliable readings equal to those of a chest strap with 97% accuracy within 10 BPM. For more info on the Huawei GT Runner, pop into your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.